Now we move on to replicate this 3D shape that resembles a chair. So, same as always, let's start with the starter line, which is this corner right here. And the back part of the chair is only 1 box thick. So that's already done for us. Now let's do this vertical line over here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes upwards. Okay, count 7 boxes upwards. Mark the end of the line with a dot if it helps, and draw a light line. Up till now, all of the lines that we're going to be drawing are going to be light. We will be darkening them later. Let's continue with this line, 3 boxes upwards. Now let's complete the back part of the chair, which is once again 1 box thick. Now let's go 3 boxes downwards from the end point of this line. And now let's continue to draw the seat of the chair, which is 4 boxes to the right. Okay, notice that for now I'm just drawing the green shaded area. Okay, the front view of the chair. Now 4 boxes downwards. And make sure that the 2 baselines, which basically are the 2 legs of this chair, are aligned, okay, that they're on the same line. Now let's go 3 boxes up and let's complete these 2 lines over here. Let's connect those 2 lines. And now we have the front view of our chair. Now let's continue by drawing the side of our chair, by drawing the inclined lines, which are all at 45 degrees, since we are drawing an oblique projection. Now let's start with this corner and just go 1 box from the bottom left to the upper right. Okay, let's continue with this corner right here. And same as before, 1 diagonal line, okay, 1 box thick. I am not going to be doing this line right here, as it's not visible. As you could see, it's at the back where I could not see it. Now let's continue with this inner corner right here. 1 diagonal line to the right. Make sure that it's always going upwards to the right. You could also try and mark the end points of each line. Maybe that would help you. Okay, now all the 45-degree lines are finished. Now let's continue by drawing this line. Now this line should be 3 boxes upwards, but the rest of the line is hidden behind the seat. So it's only going to be 2 boxes upwards until it hits the baseline of the seat. Now, to complete the rest of the chair, basically the back part of our chair, all I'm going to do is to connect the end points of each 45-degree line. Okay, and make sure that all lines are light. It's always easier to erase a light line if you have made a mistake rather than a thick line. Okay, now the 3D shape is completed. Now I'm going to darken the outlines by going over each line. Now let's move on to shading. I'm going to be shading the front view in green, as always, as we did with the others, the top views in red, and the side views in blue.